Thanks for joining us today at Leggari Products. We're super excited about this video and we hope you love it too. Enjoy.
Here's another technique. We're going to be using the squeegee to flatten it off to blend the colors. And we're just pouring randomly. So maybe get a little bit thicker there. A little pile there. It's all about being random with a lot of this stuff. So we're obviously not doing a base coat. We're just pouring all these colors out. And this is an easy technique you can do on a floor. Get some black. Don't want it to go all the way everywhere. So I made the least amount of black. We got the majority is gonna be silver. The second most amount of color is gonna be our new turquoise. But notice how I'm following the kind of the vein pattern that I already have going. We don't have any over here, so I'm gonna definitely want to get some over here. And if you do like screw up or something, you can totally scrape up some of that. I'll scrape up some, and we can totally just move it around. So it doesn't really, you can't really screw this up. Get some of that up in here. Margin trowels are great for scooping up products. You can scoop it up, put it in a container. Enough of those drained out. Now again, you could use the pool trowel for this too, but I just like using the cheap Bondo squeegee you can get at most department stores. And now we're just gonna feather all these out. We need to fill the whole board. Try to get an even coat on the whole board. And I'm kind of going with the pattern though that I have. Notice I'm not going across ways. I got kind of all my veins going that way. So I'm gonna keep that pattern. I don't want to cross the pattern and make it look all weird having one line go across here. It's always nice to have extra product when you're doing this technique because you are flattening everything off with the squeegee. And I've found the less that you have to move colors, the better. I'm gonna scoop some of this up. We need some more product over here. I want to get the same thickness everywhere, or close to. And then we'll just flatten that back off. What I was saying, the less that you have to move the product and smear it, the more dominant each color will be. Got it good, everything's coated. I don't see the board at all. And it's probably a little thicker up here than it is down here. But that's all right, because it will kind of flow out and level out. Got a couple spots here that we need to hit. But what I like about this technique is you can't screw this up like almost all these techniques I show you. Now we're gonna take the clear right here, clear isopropyl, and we're just gonna drip it. We're just gonna drip it and it's gonna blend these colors and create some really cool effect. Try to get bigger spritzes of color. The bigger drips you get, but see the cells it creates? And it really helps bring these colors out. And we've even done stuff stuff where we sprayed it like this and then we flatten it off again and then we sprayed it one more time and it creates a really cool effect. But you'll see how this turns out here in a little bit. It'll look really cool.
Hey Leggari friends, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, watch our latest videos, and hey, if you have any ideas for future projects, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.